Installing an Oyster3 asset tracking device is a straightforward process that helps you keep tabs on valuable assets like trailers, heavy equipment, non-powered equipment, containers, and much more. Here is a step-by-step guide to get started. Inside the package, you will find the Oyster3 device itself, a serial number sticker, and a package insert that contains written installation instructions. Everything you need to begin is included, except self-tapping screws. Before you start, gather a few basic tools. Most importantly, you will need self-tapping screws and a screwdriver or drill. The device comes pre-activated and pre-configured, so there is no need for additional setup before installation. Select a spot on your asset that offers a clear view of the sky for optimal GPS signal. However, the device can also be concealed if needed for security. Try to find the balance between hiding the device and giving it an opportunity to connect and track properly. Please refer to the package insert for additional details. Position the device in your chosen location. Use the self-tapping screws to securely fasten the Oyster3 in place, ensuring it is stable and unobstructed for accurate tracking. After installation, log into GeoTab and rename your asset. Use any of the 3 serials provided: GeoTab serial, device serial, or IMEI while searching for the device in GeoTab. Confirm the device is reporting and your installation is complete.